Hello everyone, welcome back. I am your TECH.REHAAN. Hope you are understanding my videos. Please do support me so that I can post new videos, new tricks and new formulas. Please follow my Insta page and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more updates like this. So today we'll discuss a new array formula which is present in Office 365. Come on, let's start the session. So friends, here I have data in three different columns. Now I want to paste them into one column. For that, there is a formula named vstack. So equal to vstack, select the array 1, comma, array 2, comma, array 3. Close the bracket, enter it. So you can see the numbers of three different columns are pasted into one column. So this is my today's session. We'll meet again with a new trick or else a new formula. Please follow my page to be updated like this with a new video. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.